Today we are going to listen a story about the victory of Maa Durga over Mahishasura. So, are you ready to listen the story? Yes, so let's start the story. Long, long ago, there was a wicked demon king, Mahishasura. He wanted to be powerful and rule the three worlds. Hoo ha 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 ha! Hoo ha 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 ha! I am the most powerful person. Therefore, he performed serve penance to please Lord Brahma. When Lord Brahma was pleased and appeared before him, Mahishasura asked a boon to be immortal, that is, to never die. But Lord Brahma said, Mahisha, all that is born must die. That is the universal law. You cannot escape that. Mahishasura thought for a while and said, if I must die, my lord, it should be in the hands of a woman. Lord Brahma agreed and granted him the boon and returned to his job. Mahishasura thought, how can a woman kill a man? That is impossible. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! I am now the most powerful person in the whole universe. Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Mahishasura immediately ordered his army to attack the humans on the earth in the Devaloka. Mahishasura and his men become a menace. They started bullying and destroying the Devaloka, and no one could touch him. The king of Devas, Indra, went to the three Murtis, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, and explained the situation to them. The three gods created a powerful woman with several hands. Lord Shiva offered his Trishula to her, Mahavishnu his Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Indra his Vajrayuddha or Thunderbolt. They named her Durga, now a powerful goddess armed with inner strength, courage and wisdom, with arms gifted by the powerful Devas, set out on a lion to destroy Mahishasura. Mahishasura's heart skipped a bit when he heard the thunder of goddess Durga's arrival. Still he asked, a mere female trying to attack me? Durga responded, I am not an ordinary female, Mahisha. I am here to fulfill your desire to be killed by a woman. He immediately realized it was a danger sign for him and changed himself into a buffalo and charged the goddess with all his might. Durga, with her inborn power and acquired weapons, killed Mahishasura after a long battle. The day goddess Durga killed the wicked demon Mahishasura is celebrated as Vijayadashmi. This day is also celebrated as a victory of good over evil. So, this is the story of Maa Durga. Hope you enjoy the story and learn something new from this story. If you like the story, please hit a like button, do comment, share to your friends also. Thanks for watching.